An all-in-one video surveillance system from Uniview that's high quality and cost-effective. This is the EK-X1P8T46T2. Hey guys, it's Tyler from Nelly Security, and today we're going to be unboxing this complete 6-camera system from Uniview. If you don't already know who we are, Nelly Security is a leading distributor of security products. We post content all the time helping our customers learn more about the products, learn more about the security industry. If that's something you're interested in, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel down below. And without further ado, let's jump right into the unboxing. Like I said, this is an all-in-one system. It all comes included in this box right here. When we open up the box, you'll see that it comes with all the cable we need to get this system up and running. We've got 6 60-foot Cat5e Ethernet cables. We've got one 6-foot Ethernet cable to connect your NVR to the network. We've also got an HDMI cable in here to connect your NVR to a monitor. After the cables, you'll find 6 cameras in the box. These are all high quality 4-megapixel turret cameras, and we'll talk more about these here in just a minute. And finally, you'll find your NVR in the box. This is a 4K 8-channel NVR, and that's all there is to this system. If it seems simple, that's because it is. This is a simple, easy to use, easy to set up system that's perfect for small business setups, residential setups, really anything where you're not gonna need more than 8 security cameras. Now let's take a closer look at the products that come in the box so you can get an idea of what kind of specs, features, and benefits this system has to offer. First up is the NVR. Again, this is an 8-channel NVR. It supports cameras up to 4K resolution. It does come with a pre-installed 2TB hard drive, and that's pretty much all there is to it. The main thing I want to point out about this NVR is its expandability. Again, the kit comes with 6 4-megapixel cameras, but the NVR supports 8 4K cameras. That means you have 2 additional cameras to add to this NVR at any time. If you're getting this system for yourself, that means you can try out Uniview for a little bit, see how you like it, and then if you want to invest in some higher quality cameras later down the road, you can totally do that, upgrade to something 4K, or maybe look for a specialized Uniview camera like their Color Hunter series or something with active deterrence. You can add cameras, you can add higher resolution cameras, and you can also swap out that 2TB hard drive with something that does have more storage capacity, just in case you ever need the extra space. The NVR is plug and play with all Uniview cameras. That means all you have to do is take the 6 cameras that come with this kit, the 6 60-foot Ethernet cables, and connect the camera to the NVR. Once you do that, there is no further configuration. The camera will immediately hop onto the NVR. The NVR will start recording the camera's feeds, and you're good to go. Insanely simple setup. The NVR is also OnVIF compatible, so in the case that you do want to use those 2 extra ports for another brand of security camera that's not Uniview, you can totally do that as long as the cameras that you'll be connecting to the NVR are OnVIF compatible. With third-party cameras that aren't Uniview, you're not gonna get that plug-and-play functionality, so it is gonna take a little bit more setup. Now let's take a closer look at these cameras. Again, these are turret cameras with a 4-megapixel resolution. The build of these cameras is a metal plastic hybrid, so this is lower quality than most of the Uniview cameras you'll find out there on the market. It is more of an entry-level camera, which is great for beginners, again for residential setups. You're not gonna find the full range of features on these turrets that you'll find on a regular Uniview 4-megapixel turret. But a lot of the times you really don't need those extra features, and what this turret offers really is exceptional, especially for the price point. When it comes to intelligent events, we have 2 available on this camera. We have line crossing detection and intrusion detection. That means you can draw a line across your field of view and trigger events to happen anytime somebody crosses that line. You can get a push notification to your mobile device through Uniview's Easy View application. You can also set up recording events, so say you don't want to record all the time to your hard drive, you can set up your NVR so that it only records based on line crossing or intrusion detection events. Something that's pretty cool about this camera, even though it is still on the entry-level side of Uniview's product line, It does have Uniview's deep learning artificial intelligence algorithm embedded into its events. What that means is this camera is able to tell the difference between human motion and non-human motion. So let's say you have your line or your intrusion box drawn. The camera is only going to trigger that intelligent event if a human walks across that line or walks inside of that box. If a squirrel runs across your field of view, or if the shadows shift as the sun rises and sets, that is not going to trigger needless motion detection events. You're not going to get a ton of push notifications. Your NVR is not going to be filled with useless storage. You're only going to be notified about events that are important to you. One thing to note about the deep learning inside these cameras, if you're used to Uniview, you'll know that you can usually choose between a human target or a vehicle target, or a combination of both. That is not available with these cameras. You only have human body detection, and it's turned on by default. So even if a vehicle crosses your line or enters into your intrusion detection box, it's not going to trigger an intelligent event. All of these products are fully NDAA compliant, they're easy to use, easy to set up, and most importantly, this whole system is incredibly cost effective. You're going to be paying far less for this system than you would be paying if you were to piece together your own system using comparable products. And if you're a dealer, you're going to get an even bigger discount, so be sure to check the links down in the description below to learn more about our dealer program. It's fast, easy, and free to get started, so if you are a security professional in any capacity, be sure to click down below to learn more. Now, before we end, let's check out some sample footage from this camera. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are excited about this system. Again, there are links in the description to learn more about this system and to purchase yours today. Let us know in the comments what you think about it, or if you have any questions. You can also reach out to us anytime. You can give us a call, send us an email. We're always happy to help you guys out. Happy installing, and we will catch you in the next video.